Welcome to Milac Online tutorial. Before us is this question that says, at the foot of a mountain, the angle of elevation of its top is 45 degrees. After ascending 1 kilometer towards the mountain up an incline of 30 degrees, the elevation changes towards 60. Find the height of the mountain. Now let us assume this is our ground. Now this is the mountain. Let's see, this is the mountain. Now the top of the mountain, the elevation to the top of the mountain is 45 degrees. Now this said person, after ascending 1 kilometer, okay, now ascending, let's see, about 1 kilometer. This is 1 kilometer. Now question says, oh, okay, towards the mountain up an incline of 30 degrees. So which means from here to here is 30 degrees. Okay, now the elevation changes to 60. So from here, now here becomes 60 degrees, and we are told to find the height of the barrel from here to here. Okay, right, now let us assume this is A, this is B, this is C, and let us say this is D. Okay, all right, now let us find all the necessary parameters. Now let us find these. Okay, now we know that let me write this. The whole of this place is 45 degrees. Now if the whole of this place is 45 degrees and here is 90 degrees, then it definitely means that the whole of this place also will be 45 degrees. Why? Because sum of angle in a triangle is sum of angle in a triangle equals to 180, and here we have 45, here we have 90. So which means 180 minus 90 plus 45. Now this will give us 180 minus 135, which will give us what? 45, and that's how we got here to be 45. Now take note, here also is 60, here is 90. Automatically here will be what? 30. So and if here is that, how do we get that? That will be 180 minus 60 plus 90. 60 plus 90, which is 150, minus 150, that should give us what? 30. Okay, now and if here is 30, automatically here will be 15. Okay, all right, and if the whole of here is 45 and here is 30, so the whole of here is what? 15 degrees. Okay, all right, and if here is 15, here is 15, now here should be 180 minus 15 plus 15, because this is a triangle. Now considering A, B, and D, it's a triangle. So here you have 180 minus 30, which will give us 150 degree. So here is 150 degree. All right. Now since here is H, now let us find this side, and this we'll use the hypotenuse theorem. Since it's a right angle triangle, square equals, AC, no, let us use SOHCAHTOA first, since this is an angle on one side and we're looking for the other side. SOHCAHTOA, now this is the angle, which is 45, opposite adjacent, so that will be tan. That will be tan 45 equals to opposite, which is opposite over what? Adjacent, which is what? H over AC. So and tan 45 is 1, so here we have H over what? AC, and our AC will now give us h, because when we cross multiply 1 times h will give us h, then we are left with what? H. Okay. Alright, that will be h kilometer since it is in kilometer. Alright, so now let us find AB. And AB, using Pythagoras theorem, we have AB equals BC plus AC, and BC is our h already, plus AC, which is our also h, which I've gotten. So AB square will now give us 2h square. Now squaring both sides, we have that AB will now give us the square root of 2h what square. AB will now give us h, the square root of what? 2. Now take note, we actually meant to be, it's meant to be plus or negative, but we know distance shouldn't have what? A negative value, so we just consider only the positive value. So it is h. So here you have h root 2 kilometer. Alright, now looking at this now let us bring out the triangle, which is now this is 150, and this is 15, and this is 15 now, and this is h root 2, and here is 1 kilometer. Yeah, so this is A, this is B, and this is D. Alright, and we tend to look for the height. So if we're able to get this, then we should be able to get this. If we get the value of this h here, so with this now we can say, using a sine rule, now this, and this. So here we have that B over sine B equals to D over sine D, and our B here is 1 over sine 15, then equals our D, which is h root 2 over sine 150. Okay. Alright, now let us understand that sine 15 is actually root 3 minus 1 over 2 root 2. Actually, the derivation of this, I did a video concerning it, and I'll drop the link in the comment section so that you get to know how sine 15 equals to this value. So and sine 150 is the same thing as sine 30 degree, which is what? 1 over what? 2. So if we plug that here, now we have what? 1 over sine 15, sorry, okay, our sine 15 here is root 3 minus 1 over 2 root 2, then equals h root 2 over 1 over what? 2. Now this, for us to resolve this, just flip this over. This is just something as saying that 1 over a over b will give us what? 1 divided by a over what? B, which will give us 1 times b over a. Alright, now representing this as our a and representing this as our b, you will get to see that u should now be 2 root 2 over root 3 minus 1 equals to h root 2 over. So in this case here now, I'll be times, why I'm doing this is for a better understanding. Now h root 2 over 1 over 2 will give us h root 2, then divided by 1 over 2, which will give us what? H root 2 times 2. Okay, so we, at the end of the day, you have a 2h root 2. Okay, now so here we have 2h root 2 over what? 1. Take note, we are looking for the value of h, so we can cross multiply here. We have that 2 root 2 then times 1 then equals 2h root 2 into root 3 minus what? 1. Let's divide both sides by 2 root 2 over 2. Okay, sorry, 2 root 2. This will eliminate this will eliminate this, so we are left with 1 equals to h root 3 minus 1. So we divide through by root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1. So this will eliminate this. Our h will now be 1 over root 3 minus what? 1. And take note that we are told that root 3 equals to what? 1.73. So here we have 1 over 1.73 minus 1, which will give us 1 over, when you subtract 1 from 1.73, you have what? 0.73. And when we tend to punch our calculator here we have 1 divided by 0.73. So here you have 1.369. That will be 1.369 kilometer as the final answer. Alright, if you love what I've just done, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all my videos in physics, chemistry and mathematics. Thank you and God bless you.